Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man. Are you looking to boost your profits and get more done without pulling your hair out? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into some simple but game-changing workflow tips that will help you streamline your processes and maximize your efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save hours every week and make your business run smoother, whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or part of a larger organization. So buckle up and let's get right into it. Let's start with time management, because time is money, right? We all know it, but it's so easy to fall into time-wasting habits. The trick here is learning how to make time work for you, not against you. One of the best methods to do this is the Pomodoro technique. Now, if you haven't heard of it before, here's how it works. You focus on one task for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, you take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. The key benefit? It keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. Try it out for a week, and you'll see just how much more you can get done in less time. Plus, you might actually enjoy those breaks more. But what about task prioritization? We've all had days where we feel busy but accomplish, well, not much. To avoid that, the Eisenhower Matrix is a killer way to prioritize what truly matters. It breaks your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. The goal? Focus on the important tasks that push your business forward, not just the urgent tasks that make you feel like you're putting out fires all day. All right, now let's talk automation tools. If you're still doing repetitive tasks manually, you're leaving money on the table. Tools like Zapier, Trello, or Asana can be game changers. Imagine this. Instead of manually copying data from one app to another or sending the same emails over and over again, you set up workflows that handle that for you automatically. Boom! Hours of mindless tasks gone. Let's dive a bit deeper into automation with emails. Did you know that automated email sequences can nurture leads and close sales while you sleep? Tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign let you set up email drip campaigns so that when someone signs up for your newsletter, they automatically receive a series of value-packed emails without you lifting a finger. It's like having a virtual assistant, but without the salary. Another tip for streamlining your workflow is cutting down on unnecessary meetings. Seriously, how much time do we all lose in meetings that could have been, well, an email? Try to limit meetings to only when absolutely necessary and keep them short. Use tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to communicate efficiently without bogging down your schedule. Here's a bonus. Implement batch working. This means grouping similar tasks together and knocking them out all at once. For example, if you need to create social media posts, do a week's worth or even a month's worth in one sitting. You're already in the mindset for it, so it's easier to stay focused and produce higher quality work faster. Plus, this means you won't have to stop what you're doing every day just to create one post. It's all done in advance. Now let's touch on delegation. If you're someone who insists on doing everything yourself, stop. Whether you're a solopreneur or leading a team, there's a limit to how much you can do in a day. Identify the tasks that you can pass on to someone else, especially the ones that aren't directly tied to revenue. Outsourcing these tasks, even to a virtual assistant, can free up your time for higher-level decision-making and strategy. Speaking of outsourcing, hiring freelancers for specialized tasks like graphic design or content writing is often more cost-effective than you think. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr let you connect with experts without the long-term commitment of hiring in-house. Finally, let's talk about the power of saying no. If you say yes to everything, your to-do list will explode, and you'll end up doing a lot of things, but not the right things. Learning to say no to tasks, projects, or even clients that don't align with your goals can make a massive difference in your workflow. Every yes should move your business closer to where you want it to be. If it doesn't, it's a distraction. So let's recap. We talked about managing your time using the Pomodoro technique, prioritizing tasks with the Eisenhower Matrix, automating repetitive work, cutting down on unnecessary meetings, using batch working, delegating tasks, and, most importantly, knowing when to say no. By implementing just a few of these tips, you'll notice a huge difference in your productivity and, in turn, your profitability. And remember, the goal here is to work smarter, not harder. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What workflow tip has transformed the way you work? Let's keep the conversation going and help each other grow. Thanks for watching, and here's to boosting your profits. See you next time!